here if I just draw a line, we will just going to first see these two category, math dot floor, second math dot ceil function. This is the floor function, this is the ceiling function. So if I just draw a number line such as like this, if I draw like this, and suppose here it's 1, it's 2, it's 3, it's 4, suppose, and here it's suppose 1.5, 2.5 and 3.5. So if I just want to get the floor of, suppose I want to get the number of math dot floor of 3.5. So floor means the the bottom value, means it would give us 3. If I just want to get ceiling value, that's just math dot floor 3.5, it would give me 4 as the ceiling value, the higher value of 3, between 3 and 4. So let us implement this in our Python editor or Python interpreter. So let us see what did we get. Let me open the IDLE, and here I would need to import the math module. Import math module. Sorry, I just need to math module. Now I just need to write math dot ceil, means the ceiling of 3.5. So it would give me 4. And if I just need math dot floor of 3.5, it would return me 3, the bottom value. So this way we can use this math function or math module rather. So there are multiple math modules, modules are there, or mathematical functions are available inside the math module, that is math.exponential or math.exp, math.fabs to get the absolute of the value of the number, math.log, math.log 10 or the base 10 logarithm, math.pow, math.sine, math.cos, tan, and math.degrees, and math.radians. This radians is actually basically converting angle x from degrees to radians. Okay, so this way we can use the math module of the Python to useful, and there are also two useful constants that are also available, that is pi and e. Now let us focus on another thing about the statistics ones. So let us move to the statistics part. Okay, so for statistics module, for statistics module, we will focus on these three parts. For statistics module, we will focus on three parts. That is, first is the mean, second is the median, and the third is the mode. We'll focus on these three, and fourth can be the range. These four we will able to see now. So the statistics module is also a Python standard library, and it provides the statistical functions. As all we know that it's a statistical function, statistical functions that are available, statistical functions that are available. And first, when we use statistics statistics dot mean. So this is actually mean the thing that we called as average, right? In normal terms, suppose I have something like this, as 2, 4, 8, 6, and 10. Suppose these are the numbers I do have. And if I do a summation of this, so I will get 6, 8, 14, 6, 20, and 30. So summation will be result to 30 and would be divided by the number of terms that we have, or the n is actually the 5. So if I just divide, I will get 6. So the mean is the 6. Next comes the median. For median, the rule is to arrange this, to arrange the numbers in ascending or descending order. Suppose here I can like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Suppose this way we can do. Now here I can see, if I suppose this number cancelled, this number cancelled, like 6 is the mid value, or 6 is the median. So now if we just want to get the median of the values, so median means the middle value. Suppose I have some terms as uh, suppose 2, 6, 4, 10, 8. Suppose there are 5 terms, and we can write n equals to 5, and that is the odd. For this type of value, we can write that the median is always like this. So I can write x n plus 1 by 2. Something like this we can write. So here is n is 5 by 2. So it is just giving me the third term. And always remember that we need to arrange this in ascending order, ascending order, or descending order. So x3 means 1, 2, 3. This is the median. Now there is a term, suppose 1, 3, 5, 7. Suppose this one is there, or 9 and 11. This 6 is there. So here n equals to 6, which is even. In this case, what we can do, like this: n by 2 plus x n plus 1 by 2 by 2. So here, as you can see, x n by 2 means 6 by 2 is 3, and here suppose this is n by 2 plus 1, n by 2 plus 1. So 6 by 2 is 3, 3 means 4, x4 by 2. So I can get that this is the third term and this is the fourth term. So 5 plus 7 by 2, which gets to 6 as the median. So always remember the formula for this is x n by 2 plus x n by 2 plus 1 by 2. So this is the median, and for mode is the repetition or the frequency. That means if I have just need to mode of this, so there is a term like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, something like this. For this, there is no repetition and it would not return any values. But in Python, it would always return the first value that is there. That is here 2. For this, we can use one Python value called multimode that we will see after some time. Multimode, where whatever the repetition, maybe it's the number is supposed to 2, 4, 4. Suppose like this 6, 8, 10. For here the repetitions it would show like this. So let's go to our console. What I can do, I can do a L equals to or list equals to suppose 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I'm just arranging it in ascending order only. So list is this, and first of all that let me import the statistics module. Statistics, then I will then list. I can just write statistics dot mean, and I can pass on this list. Here it is giving me 6. So as you all know that mean is the average. So it's 6 is 12 at 20 plus then 30. 30 by 5 is the 6. Next, if I just want to get the statistics dot median, median of lists, it would give me also 6 because 6 is the middle value. Now if I just define another one such as 1, 3, 5, 7, this 4 values. If n is even, then we know that the formula that would be there is xn by 2 plus xn by 2 plus 1 by 2. So in this case it would be the second and the third term, means the median should give us the result 4. Okay, so let us try statistics dot median. Statistics dot median, if I just pass L1 here, as I said, it would return 4, and I have always already explained the reason for the same. Now for the mode part, the repetition or the frequency of the numbers arriving multiple times. Suppose if I just write L2 equals to such as 2, or the list that we have. Suppose if I want to get statistics dot mode, if I just want to get the list, it was always return 2. But the same thing if I define another list such as 2 comma 2 comma 4 comma 4 comma 6, 8 and 10. For this case, if I just write statistics dot mode, and or if I just write multi mode and pass L2 here, I can see it is returning me 2 and 4 because these two terms are repeating multiple times. Similarly, if I just want to return statistics, uh, I want to get the higher frequency of number. This is the last example. If I just want to write 2 comma 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 6 comma 6, then 8 comma 10. So if I just want to statistics dot um, you can write multimode as well, multimode, and if I just pass L3 here, it would give me 6 as the value because 6 has been arriving in this particular list 4 times. So that is the very basic of statistics, and I have explained over you. Okay, thank you so much, and let me stop the recording.